Hey guys, this video is about progressing to the next level of the headstand. So how do you do it? The only difference between this video and the previous one is to increase the distance between you and the wall slightly. So what happens is when you go to the wall, you can still have the balance of the wall as well as your body. So if you feel like falling, you can go close to the wall, and then when you feel like balancing again, you can come away from the wall. So I'll quickly show you how to do this. It's the same technique. Use your hands in this position, put your head over it, put your arms closer to it so that you balance with the help of your arms as well as your head. I'll just show you how we do it. Now, here I will maintain a considerable distance between me and the wall. Okay. Earlier I was closer this, but now I'll be over here. And my hands are closer, my head into it, and I come away from the wall. Same position, go up, take the support of the wall, go up. And then when you feel that you want to balance, take your one leg ahead, slowly bring the other. If you feel like falling, go back. Again try practicing bringing one leg ahead and your second leg. But if you feel like falling, go back. Okay, this will help you maintain your balance. When you're coming down, try to bring your one leg down first and then slowly the second one. This is how you'll be able to achieve the next level of your headstand. Thank you.